Hi, welcome to Durva Astro Council. A few days ago, I had shared the theme and importance of the Saturn retrograde that started on 23rd May and is going to last till October 11th. I also discussed the meaning of Shravan Nakshatra for us to understand, because Saturn has been in this nakshatra almost all year long, and understanding what is required of us and what are the themes that can play out in our life, in our work, because Saturn is a Karma Karak, are important right now. So if you've missed that video, then the link is here. So also in that video, I shared the forecast of the impact of this retrograde on Aries, Taurus and Gemini signs. So for you guys, if you have missed that video, have a look there. Today I'm going to discuss about the impact of this same retrograde from Cancer till Pisces ascendants or moon signs, whichever is stronger for you. So Cancer natives, these few months of Saturn retrograde are going to require a lot of physical hard work of you. There will be some pressure on you in this period. In general, professionally, there will be so much work for you to complete, and you might also face some health issues. And to make sure that you remain healthy in this period, you have to make sure you are exerting your body, you are going for workouts, yoga, whatever you choose. You have to stay active. This Saturn retrograde is happening in your 7th house, so it is affecting your priorities for marriage and partnerships. Those of you who are not married right now, your parents might be worried about this, and there are people around you who are trying to give you some good advice when it comes to marriage. So make sure that you are listening to them, you are taking their advice, and then deciding on whatever you want to do regarding this. If you are someone who is already married, then this period, this retrograde, is really about improving your communication. Saturn being in Shravan Nakshatra is a lot about sharing your sorrows. So if your partner has something to share with you, or if you have something to share with your partner, then make sure that you are attentive and you are serious about whatever they are trying to tell you. If you are struggling physically in this period, then reading Hanuman Chalisa is going to help you. Now Leo natives, this Saturn retrograde is going to increase your efforts when it comes to marriage as well as your job, because Saturn is your 6th and 7th lord both. But mainly this period is really about making sure that you are improving your routine. You are improving your health right now through whatever routines you are following. So if you have some health advisors, if you have some coaches, you really have to take their advice right now. Whatever they are saying, you have to follow it strictly. And right now, your employees, so if you have any house help or drivers or anybody who is working under you, they can have some problems right now, and you have to make sure that you are being a good listener when it comes to their struggles, and you are trying to console them. Otherwise it can cause you some issues. Virgo natives, right now for you there might be some confusion or tug of war when it comes to your love life or your kids if you have kids. Now either whatever problem, either in relationship or with kids, right now your family is going to play a very, very important role. There might be people in your family who are trying to give you good advice, and you might not be so accepting of that advice. So my suggestion would be be nice to them, and talk to them nicely, be a good listener, because they mean you well, they really mean you well. In terms of health as well, your digestion might be slow right now, and you could be gaining some weight. So eating fibrous foods, seeds and whole grains is going to improve your health right now. So Libra natives, with Saturn in your 4th house, you've had to be very patient lately. You might have had some trouble at home. You are worried. There might be lack of peace for you. With this retrograde, things are going to be stirred up again at home. Wherever you are living, in your living space, there might be some changes. For you right now, patience is the key, as Saturn is aspecting your ascendant itself. If your mother and your wife has some advice for you, you should take it. It is going to be good advice for you. On work front, you might need to redo some tasks, and you have to put your best efforts, your full energy at work right now, with Mars also being there. On personal front, things can be a little rough for you, but with patience and diplomacy and help of some really good advisors, you can get favorable results. For you, reading Hanuman Chalisa and donating food to the needy will be a good remedy right now. Scorpio natives, since the retrograde, you might be facing some challenges in communication, in trying to get your message out. It is a time of transformation for you. Things are going to be rough. This transit is especially heavy for those who are involved in public life. If you are, connected to large masses, then this transit might make things a bit rough for you. As Mars will transit in Cancer in June, seeking help of spirituality, seeking help of your mentors, your gurus, is going to bring the required stability that you need right now, in this transit. You might feel like you want to buy a new vehicle right now, and you should wait until after this retrograde is finished. That is about mid-October, because you might have to return this vehicle, or there might be something wrong with the vehicle. Your siblings and your neighbors might also be facing some difficulty right now, so you should stay in touch with them. Make sure that you are communicating with them, and just this communication is going to keep you up to date with what's happening with them. You might need to travel far in this period regarding work, and this travel can be a little uneasy. It could be, it can cause you some stress right now. So whenever you are traveling at that time, remember Sri Hanuman, read the Hanuman Chalisa. That's going to ease the pains of your travels right now. Sagittarius ascendants, a lot of reversals are happening for you during this retrograde. Not only is Saturn retrograde right now, soon Jupiter is also going to go retrograde. So when it comes to trade and business, especially if you are involved in that, you might be a bit confused when it comes to savings and where to invest. And if you are investing in property or automobiles right now, this is not the right time for that. Make sure you consult an experienced advisors before making any big decisions in terms of investment. Due to the Pap Kartari yoga that is forming around your ascendant, you might also face some health issues, and your speech is what you should be careful about right now. If you say anything negative that about anyone, it might come back to bite you in this period, so be careful about that. A good remedy for Sagittarius natives right now is to observe a quiet day, like we have Maun Vrat. So if you can do that, or at least have some quiet times, few hours of quiet times will do good for you right now. Capricorn natives, this is a really good time for you. Although in these transits you are probably frustrated about having to attend some social events, or simply your expenses are really increasing recently, and that might stress you out a bit. But all in all, this is a positive transit for you. This is the transit which you can call the home stretch. From past few weeks or months, you've been putting a lot of effort when it comes to your work, in your life in general, and so now is the time to reap the benefits of it. Don't go lazy now. This is the last phase, so just stay focused. In this transit, your spouse might try to tell you something. They might try to advise you, they might try to correct you sometimes. Don't take it negatively. They are trying to help. Be a good listener, take what you can and leave what you cannot implement from their advice. Just make sure that you are being a good listener here. If you face any health issues in this transit, oil massages generally are a good remedy for Saturn in your ascendant, and you should be going for a lot of walks. Walking is going to help with your health. Aquarius ascendants, you have been worried for a while now. Your family might have been facing some troubles, and you could be in general facing some troubles and obstacles or disputes in life lately. This transit is going to bring you some relief in all these matters. Through your courage and hard work, you will be able to clear any obstacle you are facing in this time period, and you will win over your competition or your enemies. You have been receiving a lot of hints, so you might be receiving hints through intuition, or from someone who is living in foreign places or online. You might be having some weird dreams lately, and if you have, you should be keeping a dream diary right now. Whenever you see a dream, wake up and write it down. Try to understand what your subconscious is trying to tell you right now. Also, rubbing some oil on your feet is going to be a good remedy for this Saturn in 12th house. Pisces natives. So you are really creative and free people, and in this transit you are feeling a little restricted, and you feel a bit pressured to put some structure in the way you lead your life and the way you work. So don't worry, although it is uneasy, it's going to be a good foundation for you. These structures that you put in place right now are going to be useful for you in the long run. You might have to face some petty gossip about yourself in your friend circles, in your networks. Just make sure that you're not sharing anything personal and giving any information that you don't want to be circulated in public, and make sure that you're not taking this petty gossip to your heart. As I said, it is petty, so just let it go. You might get some unexpected positive results right now, or you might increase your public visibility through partnerships. So stay open for any kind of opportunity to partner with someone, to work with someone, especially because this is being caused by Venus. So if it is in the area of luxury or beauty, or if it is with women, just take the opportunity that you have. Right now, taking feedback from your friend circles, from your networks regarding how to improve the way you are working is going to be very important. So make sure that you are a good listener. Also, if some people, your customers or your business partners, have any feedback for you, be a good listener on that. Take their advice on how to improve, and this is really going to help you in future. So I hope these forecasts are going to help you decide how to go about your next couple of months, and I hope that Saturn in Shravana is going to be positive for you. Stay tuned, and soon I'll be bringing this video on the upcoming solar eclipse. Take care.